His face is so dirty. He's like, I wanted to see that truck. It left. Let's go inside and wipe your face.
Eugene! Eugene!
Look where the cat sat while you were outside, Eugene. The cat sat in your car.
Eugene wants to go for a ride again.
He wants to pet the cat.
Oh, he's been trying to say Chris now.
And that's how his face gets so dirty. I'm doing that. Look at this floor. It really needs to be vacuumed. But guess what? All of these vacuums are broken. You couldn't even make these things up. Eugene even wants to help me vacuum. He likes to push the vacuum around. He wants to fix it. He's like, all we have to do is put this back on there, you see? No, it's broken. This is the brand new vacuum that I just got at Walmart. And it's broken. This time for no apparent reason. It just completely lost suction. It's completely clean on the inside. There's a brand new bag. Eugene already knows how to put the vacuum together. He's like, no, Mommy, I can fix it, and we can vacuum. Unfortunately, we can't. And that sound in the background is a video game that my roommate is playing on his phone. In case anyone's wondering. Eugene's like, let's get one of these vacuums working. Come on, Mom, we can vacuum. This is too funny. He wants to vacuum the floor. But all 3 vacuums are broken. You want to vacuum up the cat hair? He was saying kitty. We got another brand new vacuum. Now the reason I got the same vacuum as the one that I've returned is that, first of all, I already have a box of bags for it, and second of all, they were literally sold out of all the other vacuums. It was this one or a $100 vacuum, which would have been the same one that I returned the last time. With the amount of money I had the choice of either this vacuum or the other one that I recently returned. So I had the choice of 2 different vacuums that I've returned because they broke after a few days of usage. So hopefully this one won't also break after a few days of usage.
I need a screwdriver.
Eugene's like so excited.
Now, do you know where that mini screwdriver went we were using yesterday?
Oh, you know that mini screwdriver, I'm not sure where it went, but I saw it. Eugene was running around with it.
Oh no. Okay, that's lost. That's lost.
Eugene wants to vacuum the floor. I'm trying to take Christmas pictures with this piece of cloth that says Merry Christmas. Come on, take this. Oh, this is so nice. Merry Christmas from me and the cats. How about Merry Christmas from me, Eugene, and the cats? Right, now stand over us to where you're looking down at us. And make a clicking sound so the cat looks up.
Black colored cat.
Are you taking pictures? Okay. Right now when he's laying down.
Take a picture.
Today, I'm cleaning my living room. Or actually, this evening, I'm cleaning my living room. Oh no! This is like adhered to the top of the piano. Eugene, bring the vacuum over here. For some reason, Eugene likes to vacuum. Or he likes the vacuum. He likes to try to vacuum. He's getting so excited. need to turn the vacuum on. Turn it on, Eugene. Press the little button. Don't press the top part. Press it here.